Let me introduce you to this 5-minute binary options strategy on MetaTrader 4 platform which gives signals. The strategy is based on technical analysis using support and resistance to give 5-minute signals for binary options trading on any platform like Pocket Option, Quotex, IQ Option, you know the rest. I will leave the link to write me on Telegram in the video description so anyone who's interested can write me up for more details and how to pay for the indicator. We have the first signal from a resistance level on CAD JPY and we took the trade on Pocket Option with 5-minute expiry time, and now we wait for the trade to expire and we take more trades from the indicator. Got the first win for the session. Here we have a buy signal from a support level and we are taking the trade on Pocket Option with 5-minute expiry time. The indicator is for manual trading and also does not work with OTC currency pairs. You can join me on Telegram to receive signals from the indicator every once in a while. Link in the video description. We have a sell signal from a resistance level here and we open the same currency pair on Pocket Option and take the trade with 5-minute expiry time. The support level did not hold and we lost the buy trade. We made profit at this entry. We have a buy signal at this support level and we are taking the trade. We have another signal from a support level to buy. All the trades closed with profit. Great. That's how the strategy works for binary options, and let me know if you are interested in getting the system for your trades.